everybody. Let's chat, snip, harvest, and glue book. I'm not in frame, so this is the one we previously worked on. And here's another one. So let's get started. This magazine was different from the other magazines that I used, and I am all here for it. Let me tell you, it wasn't I'm not gonna say simple process, but the other magazines that I enjoy using really have a lot in them that helps my pages come together a little more quickly. This one didn't. This and I was in the mood for this. I was in the mood for more a natural page or more because you see when I was doing a harvest, I was attracted to the vibrant colors. Here, my morning was awful, so I was in the mood for some more natural healing kind of a page with natural elements, and this magazine had a lot of it. So I was glad for it. I was glad. This was actually it still reads that it's an hour. Good gracious. It took me an hour and a half to put this together. There was a lot of, as you can see, natural elements because it's a home decor magazine. I tore this magazine up too. I have y'all know I did two, this layout and another layout that's coming. Who, when, I don't know. 2027 if we're all here, God willing. But who knows when that one will come out. Y'all know. The ones who know. Y'all know. I may have to bring it all up into the future and stuff like that. I mean well when I say the next one. But life don't turn out that way, y'all. But as you can see, there's a lot of naturals in here. I'm using words as to be in the background, using the text as well, because we are trying to use up all of the magazine. Yeah, and I'm getting ready to break out. I was so happy when I found these scissors at Ollie's. I was so happy because the ones I got from a yard sale many moons ago, was starting to get dull. So I was really happy to find these scissors from Ollie's. I love using decorative edge scissors in my glue book. I had always, used text and mixed media, but to put it in a glue book, I never put it in glue book. So I had talked about that in a magazine. Use the text too. Y'all gonna hear storm coming up, and then you're gonna hear tornado sirens. Y'all, that's dedication. I stayed right here to hurry up and try to edit this video. That's why, and this is another reason why this is going to be cut down really short. It's because bad weather is coming. Alrighty, friends. I will meet you towards the end. Watch in peace. Watch and listen. The little ASMR until I come back. Okay, friends, I had to cut this video down quite substantially. Oh my God. And I think in the video you hear that it was raining. It was a lot of background noise, and right now you just heard that it's raining and it's get ready thunderstorm. I'm gonna try to get through this hopefully, but anyway, I had to cut this video down. It was over an hour long. I had a whole lot of fun putting it together because excuse me, I was able to think my way, I was thinking about something while I was doing it. I was in the zone in that way where gluebooking becomes therapeutic because I just let myself go into think. And like I said, I was using a lot of natural elements. But in editing it, it was kind of boring, so I had to cut it down quite substantially. So something is coming. Didn't you hear the tornado warning? But it was only halfway. I don't know why I did that. So I'm gonna show you the final layout at the end of the video. And if you make it to the end and you want to let me know that you are here, but you don't have anything to say, go ahead and wave at me. Put a wave emoji. You know how we do here on this channel, or put a glue book emoji or a scissor emoji, and I will talk to you later. Here's the final layout. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and check out my playlist, my chat snip harvest and glue book playlist, and I will talk to you later.